Hello everyone, this is Jordan from PineXL.com with a very special video. We are extremely proud to announce that last week we reached 1000 subscribers on our YouTube channel, in less than a year. That's more than 1000 people whom we have helped develop their Excel skills further and who appreciate what we do. People who want to stand out and impress with their skills. People who understand and value the importance of technical skills and strive to become better and better. And you're one of those incredible people. Thank you for being there and allowing us to support you in your journey. To show how much this all means to us, we have a very special giveaway. We will provide a package of all our premium templates to one of you completely for free. Our KPI scorecard, KPI dashboard, project management, perpetual calendar and task manager, as well as the actual versus target dashboard templates. Together, they're worth more than 200 euros and we're excited to share them with one of you. To participate, just follow the link in the description of the video. Of course, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. The winner will be chosen on October the 1st and will be contacted via email. Once again, we are very grateful to each and every one of you for your amazing support. Thank you and stay tuned for more videos and new products coming soon. This was Jordan from PineXL.com. Thank you very much for watching.